What's up guys, I'm Nurse, and today I'll be teaching you how to Ollie. It'll look something like this. Here's a close-up of the 2 steps we'll be taking to nail that Ollie. The first step is popping that tail down. This is what's going to get your board and your fingers off of the floor, or counter in our case. And then you'll slide your hand up to level the board out. Here's some examples. Here I'm really emphasizing that you have to use your whole hand to slide up, not just your pointer finger. This is what's going to level the board out and not send you just flying straight up. Here's an exercise you can try if you're having trouble sliding your hand up for the Ollie. I've noticed when you're sliding your hand up, you're actually turning your wrist slightly instead of just shooting your hand straight forward. Using this exercise will help you get those muscle movements down. Learning how to Ollie is essential and will open up your world to grinds and flip tricks. Welcome to fingerboarding.